Introducing the DK91010 Gem Torch, designed for precision and reliability. Compact yet powerful, it's the perfect tool for gemologists and jewelry enthusiasts. Equipped with 3 versatile light sources, the DK91010 Gem Torch adapts to every need. White light offers daylight-like brightness for accurate evaluations. Yellow light reveals true gemstone colors and clarity with a warm. UV 365 light is perfect for detecting fluorescence, enabling precise assessment of quality and authenticity. Powered by a rechargeable 18,650 battery, the DK91010 ensures long-lasting performance. With high resolution and exceptional brightness, this torch excels in detecting cracks, inclusions, and enhancing a stone's brilliance. Ideal for both professional and personal use. The DK91010 Gem Torch, your ultimate tool for gemology. Compact, reliable, and indispensable. Get yours today.